Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Casper news. I know what you're thinking. Casper is currently down 5.56% on the daily time frame, valued at 12.2 cents. So how exactly is there going to be a Casper breakout soon? I will explain, but beforehand, it is crucial for you to know and understand why Casper is dumping right now, the recent Bitcoin news therefore, and how long it will take before I believe we will see the crypto explosion. First things first, we can see from Uphold's head director of research, Dr. Martin Heisberg, the US morning miner and leverage dump like clockwork, and all alts, Casper therefore as well, follow 1-to-1. That's the institutional adoption that you asked for. Don't get it twisted, don't misunderstand. Institutional adoption is very bullish news for crypto, and it will result in the biggest bull run in history. But, in his words once again, as long as Bitcoin stays under 70k, the miners now don't make profit and have to sell all of their outputs. That's the halving for you. Expect downside. Now this sounds very bearish, I know, and for the meantime it is, but this is also old news. It always takes some time for crypto to pump post halving, and institutional adoption was never going to change that, at least not immediately. Because it's just in from Bitcoin Magazine, Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETFs will begin trading on April 30th. This is big news. Asia is ready, and therefore this means that we are going to potentially see a lot of green price action going into May. But you need to remain logical. As always, don't be emotional. These institutions, they believe they know how high Bitcoin is going to go. They say 100k, maybe 150k. They have high predictions for Bitcoin. Therefore, they want to make you sweat for your money. They want you to get frustrated with the lack of price movement and sell your bags. But be patient, please. The promised land is potentially closer than you think. In just 6 to 7 days, we will now see more institutional adoption in the form of Hong Kong. And 5 days after that, so 11 days time from now, we will see another reduction in the Casper mining rewards. Just as Dr. Martin Heisberg stated, the miners won't make profit if Bitcoin does not surpass $70,000, and the same argument can be made for Casper. The miners will need the price of Casper to increase if they want to make profit. Meaning therefore, more mining will be necessary, the hash rate will increase, and this will increase Casper's price action. We've already seen parabolic increases in Casper's hash rate already, peaking at 250.93 PHS, and it's still rising daily. And this is going to continue to increase as time goes on, the reductions keep on going, and also as Casper keeps migrating from Golang to Rust. This migration is bigger than you think. It's going to open so many doors, more opportunities for Casper. More miners will end up entering the ecosystem, and therefore, you guessed it, increasing the hash rate and increasing the price. So there are two imminent catalysts for Casper, the Hong Kong ETFs and the mining reduction rewards. But with Casper's hash rate already being as far as high as it is right now, look at this graph. The corresponding price action is nowhere near the hash rate. These two catalysts could potentially be that nudge needed to flip the switch for Casper. And with all the ongoing developments in crypto and Casper space, the next breakout could be, not even could, in my opinion, it will be the most explosive one yet. 30 cents potentially, maybe even higher, who knows. Bitcoin, Casper, crypto may be down right now. But the fact that institutions are here means there is so much more money now available to enter the space than ever before. You actually can't be bearish on crypto right now. The halving just happened. Bitcoin's sitting at 63k, not too far away from its all-time high, an all-time high that was achieved in a bear market, mind you. Crypto's peak is normally a year or so after the halving, and we're already sitting at its previous peak. How can you be bearish on this? And Casper, you can't be bearish on Casper either. Casper's about to witness this bull run, the first bull run it's ever witnessed ever, the biggest bull run ever, with developments still ongoing. Dagnite, Rust 100 block per second, smart contracts, KRC20, some of the developments as well, mind you, like KRC20 and Rust, are closer than you think. Furthermore, we are still waiting for the tier 1 exchange listings, and they will come so much sooner than you think. I covered why both Binance and Coinbase are going to list Casper soon in these videos, which I highly recommend watching if you haven't done so already. But this is why you simply can't be bearish on Casper. There is so much going on, so much incoming. So just hold on for dear life. DCA, please. And don't be emotional. Be logical.